Hey, what's up guys, this is Mohammed bin Hassan and you are seeing our top tech YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your start menu picture. So now let's change it. Okay, go there, you can see this is my default background of the start, so we can change it easily. So let's check it. Okay, go on desktop, here search background. So you can see this is the first one. Click on this. You can see now you can change the start many pictures. This one, this one, this one. You can change also colors. Yeah. Okay, this is a dog. You can also change this. Okay, this is awesome. You can also check the desktop picture, so that is present in the last. Click on this. Wow, this is amazing. It's looking like professional. Okay, you can see you're awesome. Nice. So you can download this desktop picture as well, because the link is available in the video description. You can download pic too. Okay, so now you can change again background. Now you can change the pictures on the lock screen. You can also change the pictures on the lock screen. Here you can see, this is my pictures library, so I can select the picture. Okay, so guys, in this video we learned that how to change the background picture of start menu. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe my top tech YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.